Do you want to learn how to get Starpets promo codes? In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So first up, we've got this website, which is wethrift.com/star-pets. And the second method I'll show you after this, so keep watching till the end. So here you will find that these are the top Starpets promo codes that are currently working. One is Lily and the second one is Canna Gaming. You can use both of them to get a free pet. Now, I will show you if it works or not. So I'm going to take one of these, like this one, and go over to starpets.gg. Here on the top right corner, you're going to find this profile, click on it, and then you will find this drop down, click on this promo codes. Now you can enter your promo code here to activate it. So I'm going to enter this here by Control and V, and this is Canna Gaming. And I'm going to activate the promo code, and it's going to show this random pet. Spin the Wheel of Fortune. I'm going to click this and confirm, and you get a free spin. Let's click on Spin Wheel, and now you can roll the device from here. All of these pets available inside this drop options. Let's click on Roll. I wonder what pet I'm going to get. Okay, nice. We got Badger, newborn, this one. That's great. That was good. Now let's go back to this website. This is working. This one I've already made another video on. This one is a Lily code that you can use. This is also working. And now the second method of how to find these promo codes and discount codes. You can go to ChatGPT. This is chatgpt.com. And inside here, you need to enter find me the best starpets.gg working promo codes. And then just click on enter. And after that, ChatGPT is going to give you all the working promo codes that are currently available. You can also ask it to search the web. And it's going to search the web for all the working promo codes. Now I will show you that they are working. So I'm going to take one of these and go here, go into this and click on promo codes again, and then put that promo code here and activate the promo code. Here you go, it's working. Now just like that, I'm going to take another one and go here, enter promo code and activate it. Now this is one more promo code that I'm going to try, this one. And this one gives you a top-up bonus or a random pet. Let's select this one, and there you go. This is working. And this is how you can find Starpets promo codes and discount codes. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.